everybody. Welcome to this bonus lesson. If you have activated Shopify's online tips feature, I'm going to show you how to change the tips wording that the customers see during checkout to something else. As I explained in the previous lesson, if you activate Shopify's built-in online tips feature, the tips option will appear in checkout for all purchases, even purchases that are shipped by regular carriers such as Postal or FedEx. So you might want to change the wording from tips to donations or to something else. I included a link in this lesson's resources section to the Shopify Help Center for instructions on how to do it. But I'll show you how to do it right here. It's pretty easy. From the Shopify admin homepage, click on Themes. Next to the Customize button, click on Actions and scroll down and click on Edit Languages. You are now in Shopify's Language section, where you can change much of the default wording and labels that appear automatically on your Shopify site. In this case, we're changing the tips labeling. In the search box up here, type in the word tips and hit your enter key. You'll see displayed all the places where the various tips labels are displayed to your customers. Change the word tips to anything else you want. Let's change it to, bribes. Oh no, let's make it donations. So we scroll down to each field and type in our switch from tip to donation. You may have noticed a bit of computerese in two of these labels. They are Shopify's placeholders for automatically inserting a word or phrase. The word amount, which has curly brackets on each side of it, will be replaced by the money amount. And this one, shop underline name, will automatically be replaced by your store name. Make sure you include these curly brackets, including the spacing. You'll find curly brackets here on your keyboard. So we scroll down to each field and type in our switch from tip to donation. You'll notice that the wording in the fields is a light gray. The gray wording are the default words for each label. If you ever want to go back to the original label wording, just delete what you typed over it, like this. So we go down to each field and type in our switcheroo from tip to donation. There are just a few more labels to modify. When we're finished, save. There is one more tip label we need to change. In the search bar, type tip label and hit enter. And make this one change here and save. Let's take a look now at the customer payment page and see how the changes we made are now displayed. By the way, you can take advantage of Shopify's language settings to make more customized changes on your site, focusing on your brand or what you sell. See how I changed the word payment to payment for our yummy donuts. When you have time, explore the language settings and find places to creatively customize your label to fit your brand. That's it for this bonus lesson. See you next in another bonus lesson titled Adding Some Boing Boing to Your Store's Password Page.